Welcome to our comparison of the EUHOMY and Antarctic Star countertop ice makers. If you're looking for a portable ice maker for your home, camping trips, or RV adventures, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will dive into the features, performance, and overall value of these two popular models. Let's find out which one is the best choice for you. When it comes to pricing, the EUHOMY ice maker is priced at $89, while the Antarctic Star offers a more budget-friendly option at $69. This makes the Antarctic Star a great choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing quality. In terms of build quality, the EUHOMY features a durable stainless steel construction, giving it a premium feel and look. On the other hand, the Antarctic Star is made from plastic, which, while lightweight, may not offer the same level of durability. This is an important consideration for users who plan to move their ice maker frequently. When it comes to noise levels, the EUHOMY operates at under 45 decibels, while the Antarctic Star is even quieter, operating at under 40 decibels. This makes the Antarctic Star a better choice for those who need a quieter machine, especially in shared living spaces. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Antarctic Star countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize durability and speed, the EUHOMY may be the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly and quieter option, the Antarctic Star is hard to beat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.